Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the headset type and plugging it directly into the computer. Do this now. Once connected, open Windows Sound Settings and set the HyperX as both default playback and default communication device so audio routes correctly. Make sure volume levels are up and not muted in the app or system tray. If your headset uses a dongle, verify the dongle is fully seated and charged. These initial checks eliminate routing and connection issues before deeper fixes. Next, update and, if needed, reinstall the audio drivers via Device Manager. Uninstall the headset driver and restart so Windows reinstalls a clean driver. Once done, open the headset properties, disable audio enhancements, and set the default format to 48,000 HC. This prevents sample rate conflicts that cause crackling. Install HyperX Ingenuity and apply any firmware updates. The firmware often resolves internal DSP and mic routing bugs. Also check for conflicting apps capturing the device and close them before testing. Finally, test the headset on another computer or phone to confirm whether the issue is the headset or your PC. Once done, run Windows Playing Audio Troubleshooter to auto-detect driver or configuration problems. Follow its suggested fixes. If problems persist, reset or reflash headset firmware via HyperX Ingenuity and collect logs. Make sure to note OS, driver versions, and behavior. Then contact HyperX support. One troubleshooting tip: if sound is intermittent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.